Have you ever found yourself wondering how Wireshark could be used for hacking? Today is your lucky day because I'll show you how to use Wireshark like a pro. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes. To get started, head over to the official Wireshark website and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is completed, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Wireshark on your machine. Start Wireshark application in the computer. Select Network Interface Card to capture traffic. Click on the Start button and Wireshark will start capturing packets in real time. As you can see, Wireshark displays a list of captured packets with detailed information such as source and destination IP addresses, protocol used, packet size, and more. You can analyze each packet individually to identify potential security threats or network anomalies. Wireshark allows you to apply filters to focus on specific packets of interest. For instance, you can filter packets based on source or destination IP addresses, protocols, or even specific keywords. This helps you narrow down your analysis and find the information you are looking for more efficiently. Go to Telephony, select RTP, and then RTP streams. RTP stands for Real-Time Transport Protocol, which is used for delivering audio and video over network. It is basically used in communication and entertainment systems that involve streaming media. There is a communication between source address 192.168.0.10 and destination address 216.234.64.16. The packet shows two-way communication between these two addresses. I select the first packet, click on Play Stream. In the graph, you can double-click to set the start of playing. Otherwise, it will play from the starting part. Let's push the play button. Close the player and back to the RTP filter page. Now I select the second packet and play the stream.
Testing 1, 2.
We also could select both of them and listen to the stream. The voice in each packet shows a different color in RTP player graph. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.